Hi everybody, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to show you, we're making a new recipe and it's overnight oats. So I have a special guest with me here in the kitchen and she's going to talk us through how to make overnight oats. So first of all, the ingredients are...
So first we have rolled oats, low-fat Greek coconut yogurt, chia seeds, coconut milk and real bee honey. So first we're going to get our rolled oats and we're going to simply just pour some into the tin. We don't want to pour too many, just about 1/3 of the tin, like that. Next we're going to take our chia seeds. These have loads of health benefits. They're good for slimming, diabetes, cholesterol and blood pressures. So it's going to pour some of these in here. Just about that much will do. And then we're going to take our coconut milk. And we want to cover all of these seeds and oats. Make sure they're all fully covered. Because what these do is when you leave them in the fridge overnight, the chia seeds and the rolled oats all take in all the moisture and they expand. Next I'm going to take my honey and I'm going to get 1 spoonful in there just to give it a bit of a sweet texture in the morning. I'm just going to pour it in like that to my ingredients. And then the final step is I'm going to get my coconut yogurt and I'm going to put about 3 to 4 spoonfuls in. And this gives it a lovely taste. And our final step, mix it all together. We just make sure that we get our spoon to the bottom of the jar just to make sure that all the oats are covered with moisture and they're not stuck to the bottom of the tin and don't absorb any moisture. Now all we're going to do is put our lid on and place it in the fridge overnight and it'll be ready for breakfast in the morning. So now, as you can see, the chia seeds and oats have all absorbed the moisture and it's expanded and it's ready to eat. Yummy. Good, healthy, easy recipe for the breakfast.